That's cool. That's different. Very different. That's what I was thinking. Someone must be close there doing it remotely.
Pardon me? That would cost me around 125. Yeah. Only in parts. Not my time.
Really? How much you said? It
Cost
cost
me around 125.
Wow. And how long it take?
Oh,
Years?
it took me 35 years.
Oh, really? Yeah. She helped you?
Yes. Yes, she helped me. Oh, look, well, 8 cylinder. I make around 12 liter for 100 kilometers.